welcome back to Study with me Software Engineering. Today I'm willing to help you to understand the second diagram, which is the activity diagram or the business process BPM management. Okay, first, the last tutorial when I'm studying with you, I was talking about the FTD diagram. We draw the FTD diagram and then I show you how you analyze the FTD diagram. So today I am moving to another diagram, which is the BPM or activity diagram, which is the activity diagram. So here on the activity diagram, we are looking for what this is an egg task. We are looking for egg tasks. The people who are found on the system, the people who make the process to be happen. Activity diagram is all about what have to be done to in the end, what have to done to complete the certain goal. So activity diagram, we are looking for actors, people who make the system to be happen, who make the process, the whole process to be done or to be completed. So what I mean to you, activity diagram, we are looking for the actors. Number two, we are looking for the actions. What does this what does this actors do in order the whole process of the harvesting to be completed, and then the next thing we have to know the name of a system. Okay, as we did in the study with me, FTD diagram, we analyzed, we saw this case study as give us easy the name to determine the name of the system, but other case studies that would give you the scenario that you have to know how you can identify the name of the system. The name of the system is like, okay, let's say they give you the small scenario. They say like, John shop, they sell goats, bride, and meat. So you have to create something that will make what the person who read your FTD diagram or the BPM understand what it's all about here. In that scenario that I give you right now, the example that I gave you now, that's that John's shop sell the bride, the goat bridesmaids. So I will say my scenario will be say like goat bride mates system. So this is the example. You have to make something that will make someone, if you're reading your drawing, your diagram, easy to understand what this diagram is all about. What here they give you the easy name. So the easy name was the name of the system is harvesting. So you have to know the name of the system. Of my system, we have the name of our system. It's harvesting. So we are not struggling to find the name of our system. Now, number two, we are looking for the actors. What is the actors? The actors, it can be a thing, or it's a thing, or it can be a person. It can be anything. The system, it's also an actor because it does something so that the process, so that the thing, or so that the process to be completed, so that the harvesting can be done. So when I'm reading here with you, first you read to understand what is the scenario is all about. What? Number two, you read again to find the actors. Number 3, you read again to find the verb. And number 4, you read again to prove everything that you got in the scenario. It's okay, or you are fine with it. As you check that, you validate that the actors are the exactly that you think that you read 4 times. And then at 5, you go and draw your diagram, FDT diagram, or the BPM diagram. So let me stop explaining too much. So first, I'm reading with you. The crop are harvested by pods and pods. If you're reading, make sure that you make the scenario, create scenario in your head. So the crop are harvested pods by pods, which allows for easier to oversight of a harvest process and tracking the quality. Exceptionally, workers called harvester. They provide the harvesting equipment like knife and baskets. They must follow the certain guidelines, such as ensuring the vegetable are cut at the correct maturity level and size meet the specific market's demands. The vegetables are placed into the designated table. Harvest traits after collection. Harvesters are required to fill the set of number of traits to meet the daily quotes. Additionally, traits are reminded with a bonus. Furthermore, the harvesting must adhere to strict equality protocol to avoid the demand crops sanitize. They are told to prevent the cross contamination between plots and use protective gloves while they handle the vegetable. Supervisor and quality controllers oversees the entire process, documenting any issue or deviations. Once a trait is filled, the inspector labels they treat with a traits with information such as the crop size, plot number, and the harvest details. So here I'm reading the first time and I understand what is going on here. They tell us about the inspectors, what they do. They just oversee the entire process. They monitor the process, and also what it does. They harvest, which are the seasonal workers, those people who are harvesting. So now I'm looking for the actors. Okay, we are reading here now. Again, we are looking for the actors. We say like then the crops harvesting plots by plots, which allowed either to oversize harvesting and tracking the quality. The seasonally workers. This is the seasonal workers, and it called harvesters. This is one. We get the first actor, which is a harvester. Okay. Then are protected with a harvesting equipment like knives and baskets. They are allowed to certain guidance such as the ensuring the vegetable are cut correctly and label the size. Level and the size meets the specific market demand. The vegetable are placed in the design harvesting trays after collection. The harvesting are filled with a set number of traits to meet the daily quote. Additionally, the traits are rewarded with bonus. Furthermore, the harvester is a seasonal worker, and they adopt the strict quality protocol to avoid the major crop sanitize their tools. Then they sanitize their tools across the nation between pots and use the protective gloves while they handling the vegetable. These are supervisors and the quality inspectors. Then we have two people, which is the supervisor and also the quality. They oversee the entire process, documentary issues and deviations. Once the trait is filled, the inspectors This is an inspectors, labels, the trace information such as the crop type, plots, number of harvest details. This is the number of hectares. We have 3 hectares, which is the harvester, which we call them seasonally workers, and also the supervisor, and also the quality inspectors. Okay, now we're looking for the verb. Now, okay, again, I'm reading for the 3rd time to look for the verb. Okay, for now I'm looking for the verb. It's just gonna be using right now. And then they say like the crops are harvested. This is then when you harvest the crops now. And then which allow to easier to oversize the process, harvesting process, and track the quality. The seasonal worker, what does the seasonal worker do? They provide that. Then they provided before they harvest. They harvest provided by equipment like nav and the baskets. They must follow the certain guidance such as ensuring the verb are cut correctly. They have to make sure the verb are cut correctly in the maturity level and sizes amid the quality, the specific market demand. The vegetables are placed, and then after harvesting the crops or after cutting the vegetable, they have to place the vegetable on the design harvest trays. Then the harvester are required to fill the number of trays to meet the daily quotes. Additionally, the trays are rewarded as a bonus. Furthermore, the harvester must adopt the strict quality protocol to avoid the damage. The crops. They sanitize their tools to prevent the contamination between the plots and use the protective gloves while they handle the vegetable. Then we find another 8 tasks, which are the supervisor and also the quality controller. What they do, they oversize the entire process. They document any issues or deviation. Once the trays are filled, then the inspectors, what they do, they label the trays with information. Okay, this is the 3rd time. Now I'm reading for the 4th time again, and then to prove everything that I chose it's correct. And then there is a hectares, there is a verbs, and also we find that is the name of the system is the harvesting. In another harvesting, they say the crops are harvested by plot by plot. Okay, which allow it easy to oversight the harvest process and tracking the quality. Stationary workers called harvesters, they provide a harvesting equipment like knife, baskets. They must follow the certain guidelines such as to ensure the vegetables are cut correctly, maturity level and size amidst the specific markets demand. The vegetables are placed into the design harvest tray after collection. Harvesters are required to fill a certain number of trays to meet the daily quotes. Additionally, trays are rewarded with a bonus. Furthermore, they harvest more although to straight the quality protocol to avoid the demand drops. Sanitize their tools to prevent cross contamination between plots and use the protecting club while they handle the vegetable. Supervisors and the controller inspectors oversize the entire process, documenting any issue or deviation. Once the trader failed and inspector failed, once the trace is filled, the inspector labeled the traits with information such as the crop type, lost animal, and harvested details. So I think everything that I found here, it will help me to go and draw BPM diagram. So okay, how you can draw the BPM diagram, I will demonstrate then you will go on your own and do it and draw it and then follow this step. So first thing you have to understand, the BPM diagram has symbols. Then the first one is this one. Okay, in my book we have this one. I called it, it's a starts. It starts the process. It starts the process. And also I will have this one, which is the pool. Sorry, I need to do things correct. Okay, I have this one, we call it a pool. And also the pool had always have lanes. Okay, we have the end one, where the end one is always shaded like this. Okay, we have the arrows that indicate the directions of the process, and also we have the diamond for the conditions. If it's yes, it's continue. If it's no, it's go to another direction. So okay, this is how you can. So if you are writing your BPM diagram or activity diagram, always follow the scenario. How does things happening? How does this thing actually happening? So since I was like, oh, okay, let me show that. And then always remember that a pool, always have a pool. You write in the pool here in the top, you write the name of a system. The name of the system here was a harvesting. So then the pool, you write in the pool, you write in the pool, you write what? The hectares. And then always remember that the hectares that trigger the system is always on your left. Who trigger the system in this scenario? I will help you. Who trigger in the system in this scenario is a harvester. This person is the one who triggers the system, is the one who starts the process. How would he, like how? And then this person, he or she will say, does the crops are ready to be harvested? If it's yes, then they will provide the harvested equipment, and then the vegetable, now I'm reading again. Then the vegetable are cut correctly, and then whether the vegetable are placed in the design harvesting after being collected, and also whether they after the cutting, then they sanitize their tools. This is a person who triggered the system. Okay, then okay, again, then they will move to another actor, which is the supervisor. The supervisor, what does supervisors do? It's oversee the process, document the issues or deviations. Okay, once, okay, then the condition will say, does the trade are failed? If it's a yes, then it's gonna be moved to the inspector, label the trade information. So let me help you. Where I can draw this thing. Okay, wait, I'm searching the place where I can draw the thing. Okay, let me help you so that you may understand. We study together and you'll understand. Okay. Okay, as we are waiting, all right, then this is how we find we master, or we try to make things being understandable. So okay, I will open one thing and then try to help you how you can draw this thing and how you understand better. Is me and you are starting together. Okay, fine. First thing I will do, okay, first thing I would do, this is now the whole pen. Okay, right, first the thing I would draw, this is my pool. Always remember, the pool has always have lanes. Think about this. The pool, there is a pool, and the pool has, like, think about the competition of the people who are swimming in the pool. Each and a competition has, like, the pool, that sport, swimming sports, the pool always have a lanes. Always they have a lanes. Think about that. Then the lanes is the name of the people who are swimming. So that means the actors. So the name of my pool, okay, will be, let me think, okay, will be this person, will be this name, harvesting. Okay, I'm come here again. Okay, harvesting. I don't know you see or not. Let me make. Okay, it's harvesting. So this is the name of my pool. And then, okay, again, let me read. There are 3 people, which then there are 3 lanes. This thing is so small, but I will show you how you can do it. And then the dead lanes, we have lanes number 3. And also I have another name of the actors must be done here, must be written here. Okay, and also you have to understand there's the name of the actors. The first actors, these we find them, there are harvesters. Control C, and then I'm gonna go and copy here. These are the harvesters, and then I have the other actors which are the supervisors. Okay, here supervisors, and also we have the quality inspectors. Okay, here, and then we need to remember the signs that show how we can master this thing. Okay, now we have the name of a system, which is the harvesting. Then also the name of the actors, harvesters, supervisors, and also the quality controllers. So now I'm studying whose trigger system first is the one that is on my left hand side, which is the harvester, So who trigger system? This person trigger system. Okay, the harvester trigger system. I want to make it so small so that everything you can accommodate it here. And then after being triggered system, that this person starts the process to be happening or to be done. Then the harvester, and then what the harvester do? The harvester do is provide like the crops are ready to be harvested. Control C, and I'm gonna make it thing to be easy for you so that you understand. And then I'm looking for errors and I don't find the errors. I will draw it for myself. And then okay, here, then this person, okay, I will use this thing. Alright, and then okay, crops, okay, and then we'll say the crops are harvested. Okay, the crops are harvested, and then okay, we have this thing okay, and also we'll have this parts. Remember here is an error. Okay, if it's a yes, here we'll have my yes, and also if I'm having my yes, and then the process will continue. If it's a no, and then I think, oh no, sorry, I should say here it's a no, and then so that the process will be completed. If it's a yes, then they mean that they have to wait for another thing to be done, and they need to do another thing. Okay, okay, I say if it's a yes, then this is gonna begin. I should use this one, sorry. This one. Okay. And then this is a task that has to be done. Okay, what the task to be done, and then the equipment are provided. Okay. Always make your activity diagram or a BPM diagram to be a happy day. Okay, provided equipment or equipment provided, yes, and then always make it easy, not to be complicated. Okay, and then the next step, then they follow the necessary guidelines such as ensure the vegetable are cut. That then they cut vegetable are cut. Mama, they cut vegetable or vegetable are cut. Okay, we move to another task. Okay, the another task will say okay, and also we put here vegetable are cut. After cutting the vegetable, what they have to be done, and then they place they placed vegetable place vegetable into the harvest tray. I think this thing is too long now. I should make it 2 weight or 3 weights, not more than 4 weights. So okay, I'm coming back here. This is another task I have to be done. Okay, vegetable, place vegetable into harvest tray. Avoid to use the unnecessary information into the harvest tray. Information that is unnecessary, avoid, always the case. Okay, I don't know you see, but you understand. And then the other thing, you have to move. Then after they cut, then they sanitize their tools. Sanitize tools. Okay, and then now we're on the inspectors. What the inspector do, they oversee the process. Okay, we in the supervisor. What the supervisor do, they oversee process. And what else they do, they also documents issue of or deviation. Okay, all right, we can draw like this again. I'm trying to make this thing big. All right, okay, let me go back and copy documents the entire in issue and see, and you go here. Alright, then now I'm just putting the errors. This is the error. This error will come from tool. So if you don't see it, I think you will understand. And then come and go to the oversee, and then the process, and also document the issues. I hope you understand. If like this error is coming from the sanitizing, let me try to make things work. Okay, it's coming from the sanitizing to the oversee process and document the issues. And then after that, the quality inspectors and able to do what does it do, and it creates once the trait is filled, and also then it labels the information, the trait with information. Control C. Okay, this one does it check? Is check first. Is check that does the traits are full first before it's labeled it, and also after checking that the traits are labeled are full, and then it's do the second step, and then which this is a step that I want to write now. Label the trait with information, and after that, okay, then it's moved from here to here and moves here to here, and then the question will be right at here will be like create a full, okay. If it's a this one will be my yes, and then it will go to the final and then it's gonna be my end point. Okay, this is gonna be my end point. I was trying to help you guys to understand. Okay, remember the condition always have yes and no. So here, if it's a no, they wait. If a no, this one is gonna be my no. Then there will be a condition again. Remember, you can't leave a block in activity diagram like this hanging, like should be the end, should have a second next task, or should be the end of the process. So here we will wait to fill crates. Wait to filtrate, and then the end one will be my end. Okay, then it will be my end. That's gonna be my end. Okay, and then okay, because I don't have electricity right now, I think I must end my tutorial then, guys. Before I end my tutorial, let me complete this part. And then it said crops are ready to be harvested, and then if this one was my yes, this one was my no. If they are no, remember here, and then I should put the one they say here we're gonna be my wait until it's ready to be harvested, and then in the end must have this part end. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube tutorial. I hope you will get along with me, study with me the software engineering, the diagrams with me, and I will see you to the next tutorial. If you wanna learn more, just comment, subscribe, and say which diagram did you want me to do with you. See you next time.